Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy at home. First, gather your sugar and a few basic kitchen tools. You'll need a sturdy pot, a whisk, and a candy thermometer for best results. The key is to heat the sugar mixture to the correct temperature, then spin it into delicate threads. This easy method ensures a sweet, airy confection everyone will love. Let's get started on creating this classic carnival treat. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, which forms the bulk of your cotton candy. Next, grab 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. This helps keep the sugar from crystallizing too quickly. You'll also need a 1/2 cup of water and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. For extra fun, consider adding a few drops of food coloring and your favorite flavor extract, like vanilla or strawberry. Hey everyone, if you're finding these cotton candy tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Your support truly helps us create more sweet content. On another note, for those moments when you want to relax with a good book, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, maybe even while enjoying your homemade cotton candy. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. First, combine your sugar, corn syrup, water, and salt in a heavy-bottomed pot. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until it reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the hot syrup onto a parchment-lined baking sheet to cool completely. Once hardened, break the candy into smaller pieces and use a whisk or fork to pull and spin it into delicate cotton candy threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.